100% challenge. You can copy paste that from Google or AI in 2 seconds. But the way I explain it, bro, that's premium edition. Not available anywhere else on planet. According to the question, we got to hunt down the value of vector f and Mr. Theta. Basically, math says, find me if you can. The question is like, yo, here a vector 700 Newton of pure muscles stretching out below the negative x-axis, making 15-degree dramatic tilt like it's posting for a selfie. Now one component of 700 Newton proudly towards the negative x-axis and other component to the negative y-axis like on a banana peel. On the negative x-axis wrote the component of 700 Newton equal to 700 cos 15 because 15-degree attach with negative x-axis. Those who don't know component go watch my theory class in playlist. But okay, let me show you one more time. Let r is a vector making angle theta with positive x-axis. Then component of r along x-axis is r cos theta and y-axis is r sin theta. Remember, where theta attachment you add cos, where theta not attachment you add sin. Okay, here 15 attachment, so I touch cos. Since the vector is along the negative x-axis, that's why I added a minus signature. The question says that Mr. F vector is chilling at an angle theta with positive x-axis. This vector will have two components. We will find that one that goes in the direction of positive x-axis. Check where theta is attached. Here theta is attached with the x-axis. So we will attach cos. That is f cos theta is the component along the positive x-axis. In the question, the resultant vector is only in the positive y direction. There is no resultant in the x direction. Therefore, we can say that the summation or addition of all component in the x direction will be 0. That is summation of the all component along x-axis. Here, if cos theta minus 700 cos 15 degree equal to 0, it is quite obvious that there is no resultant along x-axis, which means the value along negative x-axis and the value along positive x-axis will be equal. You student, first do some gym with the simplification and put the value of cos 15. After that, if cos theta value comes out, drop it in my YouTube comment section. Those students who didn't watch the theory class, please watch the theory class first. Otherwise, solving problem will feel like watching a movie without subtitle. Okay, I already poured my brain there in details. Don't make me repeat. After doing some math gym simplification, we got if cos theta equal to 675.5. Let's officially call this our VIP guest equation number 1 in the rate mark. Similarly, we will put out the negative y-axis component of 700 Newton force. Since theta is not hanging here, we will attach sine. So the component happily becomes 700 sine 15 in along the negative y-axis. Similarly, F vector's component will go along the positive y-axis. Oh no, attach a negative sign because negative y component is this. Now theta is not attached with positive y-axis. Then we can attach sign. The component along y-axis becomes f sine theta. I think you understood. We can say summation or addition of total component of y-axis equal to 500 Newton because 500 Newton is the given resultant. Here not equal to 0, here equal to 500. Upper side resultant. So we can written as f sin theta minus f1 sin 50 equal to 500? Yes or no? Comment. Plug in the value of F1, that's equal 700 Newton, and take sine 15 value. Do simplification and boom, do the simplification dance and comment section. So we can written as f sine theta equal to 500 plus f1 sine 15. Do simplify 700 into sine 15 equal to 180 point something. Anyway, we grab one sine f sine theta value, toss it into the mix, bpipes in equation number 2, and boom, is sitting pretty in our red ink box. Now very easy and very nice. Divide equation number 2 by equation number 1. Math karate time. Hi yo. Because when we divide, the FF cancels out and sin by cos equal to tan pops up. Exactly why we are doing this ninja move. And if is just an extra guest, now this uninvited guest quietly disappear from the party. So note down equation number 2 divided by equation number 1, that is f sin theta divided by f cos theta equal to 680.6 divided by 670.5.5. If you still have any problem with the problem, just drop it in the comment section. I will pick it up and serve it hot in the next video. My promise. And Morning Sir never break his promise. Oh yes, I forget to introduce myself. This is Morning Das. Everyone call me Morning Sir, but you can call me Morning Bro. Anyways, if cancelling sin theta by cos theta, we know that equal to tan theta, and 680 point something divided by something equal to 1.008, which is theta equal to tan inverse this and tan inverse this. This approximately near to 1 means theta approximately 45 degree. Actually theta 44 to 45 degree range. Okay, but this is the final answer. Now we have to find the f vector, which is unknown. F vector, put the value of theta in equation number 1. In just equation number 1 write down and putting the value of theta, nothing else. And also tell me in the comment section whether you guys you are feeling scared of this chapter or any chapter. You are chilling like a hero in this chapter. Anyways, from equation number 1 we can written as f cos theta means f cos 45 equal to 675.5, that is f equal to 675.5 divided by cos 45. Very simple, very easy, easy peasy, no tension. The final answer is 956 Newton. Thank you so much. Morning.